Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm at Aston Kupang. Hi guys, today I will be staying at Aston Kupang Hotel and Convention Center, which is located in Kupang City, East Nusa Tenggara. This waterfront hotel is the perfect choice when exploring Kupang and its surrounding attractions, such as Lasiana Beach, Kera Island, Semau Island, Crystal Cave, Tablolong Beach, and Oenesu Waterfall. The hotel is also within a short distance to the shopping district. But this time, I just passing through because I have a flight to catch to Sumba the next day. So I just stay here for one night. I stayed at superior room, which is 28 meters square with twin beds and can accommodate 2 guests. The price of the hotel room is 1,120,000 Indonesian rupiahs or 78.2 US dollar per night at the time this video is published. Okay, now we talk about the bedroom. The bedroom is a standard 4-star hotel room, which is also Aston signature style, mostly dominated with wood color and white. I mean, it's cozy, it's simple, and it has decent lighting. It's good for people with traveling for work and just want to rest in the hotel room. Now I'm gonna show you the pantry and the bedroom, which is the standard 4-star Aston Hotel style. I got lucky enough to catch the sunrise view from my room, which is magnificent, and if you see here, the sky is really blue, which is so rare to find in Jakarta nowadays. That's why I love this kind of view. And that's conclude my hotel review for today. I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment on below if you want to know anything about this hotel or if you recommend new hotel for me to review. And see you on my next video. Ciao!